All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. We are on box number 2 of our Michaels $10 grab bag boxes. Like I said, I did get a total of 3 of these boxes. They're most likely going to be Easter and St. Patrick's. I don't generally get, mind you, the Michaels I went to only had 3 of these left, but I wasn't going to go chasing these boxes because these boxes generally aren't all that good. So, but I figured I'd get a few of them to open them up for you guys and kind of see what we got in them. If you guys didn't watch it, make sure to watch the last video that we opened up. It's okay. And ribbon, of course. I mean, it just wouldn't be a Michaels $10 box without ribbon. So, yeah, let's see what we got, guys. A lot of coloring kits. Oh my goodness. We've got, whoa, so far 5 of them, 5 coloring kits. And I think one says magical coloring cups, one says glitter, 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 and more glitter. So, I mean, we're not short on 8 coloring kits by any means. Definitely will probably be giving some of these away. But yeah, I don't even, doesn't say how much these retail for, so I'm not really sure. I would say probably $4 or $5. And then it looks like we got some little felt egg shapes along with some felt bunny shapes. And these retail for $4.99 a piece. I mean, these would probably be kind of cute. You can decorate each one and put some hole and like make garland out of them. That would be kind of cute. Or you can probably put them on something. And then it looks like we got some pom-poms. Some just different types of pom-poms. These are super cute. I like these ones. And these retail for $4.99 a piece. I mean, these are something I could probably even use now in some type of project. And then, oh, we got some more of these. We did get one of these in the last box. They are little light up, little decor thingies. I'll kind of show you guys what they look like. So here's one. These are kind of cute. You can make these with your Cricut too. I have done a mother's box with one of these where you just cut out the layers and you make a little shadow box out of them. You can get the files either on Etsy, or if you subscribe to the Cricut one, you can also get the files on there too. Or even if you have Creative Fab, they have them on there too. And then it looks like we got a little bunny. That one's super cute too. These definitely would be cute. And then we've got some little, oh my gosh, hold on, there's quite a few of them in here. We've got quite a few little chicks. We've got blue ones, we've got yellow ones, we've got pink ones, and, oh, some chickens. Or are these roosters? I think they're chickens. I'm not sure. How do you tell the difference between a chicken and a rooster? I know one's a male, one's a female. They kind of look alike to me. And then we got some little egg cookie cutters. These retail for $4.99. And then looks like we got some chocolate melts, candy, yeah, cookie candy molds. So these are probably, you can put the chocolate in here and then put the cookie in. These are kind of cute. $5.99. Oh yeah, see, they do show you put the Oreo in it, but I feel like that's a lot of chocolate. And then, oh wow, we got a lot of these silicone molds. Hold on. Oh, I like this one. This one is super cute. I make little wax melts. Oh, these would be so cute as little wax melts. These are cute. I love this bunny one. And then these ones I could also make wax melts too. I'll just leave off the little stick part, but those would be super cute. Those little wax molds. And then the little eggs. Oh, these are cute. I like these. Now this whole box, this was worth it. The little chicks are cute. And then we got little Easter egg ones. And this one's $5.99. $5.99. I think all these little ones are $5.99. And then the bigger one is $9.99. So this was a pretty good score. I like these. And then we got some more paper caricature craft kit. These are kind of interesting. I mean, maybe I can just use the stuff out of it for other things. And then we've got, oh, cellophane bags. So just little like treat bags. More cookie cutters. These are kind of cute. Comes with a little tiny bunny one. I like the little small bunny. That's cute. And then, oh, okay. These are foam. I can see them. And these are foam. So we've got some foam sheets. There's actually quite, it feels like there's quite a few in here. 15 of them. So these are kind of nice. That's a nice little craft thingy. And then we've got, I've got 3 different bundles of felt. We've got purple, a little teal color, and pink. These are super nice. These are some nice felt sheets. And these retail for $4.99 a piece. So these are kind of nice. You definitely have to find a cool project to make with these. And then we've got, oh, my daughter will like this. She loves rainbows. This is cute. Make a little rainbow little melt kit. And then we've got some foam stickers. And what 3-year-old doesn't love stickers? They'll be everywhere. And, oh, we got some more of the whipped paint kit. These are super nice. I did get these in, I think, one of my Christmas ones. Like I said, if you guys have Bargain Bethany does these all the time, but she makes it with like the spackle and then adds color and stuff. But these are kind of nice because it's already in the tube for you. And it looks like these even come with the different tips. So, and, oh, I love these colors. That's some nice one too. These would be super cute to make little like fake cake and fake cupcakes. That's cute. And then, oh, looks like we've got a little light up necklace. Oh, this is cute. Let's see. And it doesn't work. I'm sure the batteries are going to have to be replaced. But this is cute. And then, looks like we got a little mini plush bunny. And then, oh, some more foam stickers. A lot of stickers for days. My mother-in-law might actually like these. And then, oh, these are nice. We got chunky glitter glue. Ooh, I like these. Colors are pretty. These are nice little colors of glitter glue. That's super cute. And then we've got little glitter packets. Just different, like, little Easter-y ones. And then egg-shaped crayons. And then we've got some more cellophane little treat bags shaped like a little bunny. And then, oh, okay, hold on. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more coloring kits. We've got Color Whip. We've got tie-dye. We got unicorn. We've got marbling. And we got cosmic. Oh, my son might actually like this one. Wow, guys. I will be set for egg coloring till she's 20. And then we've got some more of the little melty bead craft. The little bunny. And then we got, oh, this is Nike's Carrot Sun Catcher. That's kind of cool. Oh yeah, you can melt them. Oh my gosh, that brings me back to the day when you'd make them, you put them in the oven and they'd melt. Oh, this is super fun. And then a little pom-pom, little chip looking thing, I guess. All right, guys, we are done. This one was a pretty big one. We did get quite a bit in this one. So yeah, I mean, it's up to you guys. I mean, if you feel like these are stuff that you can all use, these boxes are well worth it for 10 bucks. I mean, even if you get a few things out of it and donate, I mean, I feel like they're kind of worth it. But yeah, guys, I appreciate all of you. Thanks for subscribing, liking, and sharing. I appreciate it. And remember to, if you're not subscribed, to subscribe, because I do have one more box left after this, so you guys can get a notification when it drops, the video drops. So yeah, guys, I appreciate it. Thanks. Bye.